Hi my friends. Welcome back. We are touring a homeless encampment located in a park near Shumshuepo. There are approximately 300 residents living in the encampment. Most of the residents are elderly disabled people. This homeless camp moved from the old Jade Market to the park. Various community groups try to help the homeless regularly. Typhoons and surf storms can be extremely dangerous for the homeless. Summertime is a nightmare as homeless people have limited access to air conditioning and clean drinking water. Homeless numbers continue to increase throughout Hong Kong as economic opportunities remain limited. Homelessness is a global problem. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.